James and Dave here. As always, we're super grateful and thankful that you are part of our Making Money with AI channel. We are going to be live this Wednesday, July 19th at 8 p.m. Eastern time. There's going to be a link below in the description, and we're going to be there. We're going to break down our AI seven-figure formula for the rest of 2023. Now, we know that we have people from all over the world, so 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern may not be the best time for you, but go to that link below and you can sign up and, of course, be there live because we're doing some amazing giveaways. And number two, if you're seeing this video 2 days later, a week later, a month later, click on that link and you're going to see the replay automatically. So it's going to be awesome. Can't wait to see you.
Yeah, we're going to have the replay link down below if you come after that. But what we're going to be breaking down is how to receive high ticket payouts using AI. This is a formula I've been working, and it's been amazing getting payouts of anywhere from $3,500, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. And it's just incredible. But there's a way that you have to do it. You have to engineer it the right way. We're going to walk you through exactly how to do that. And this is for anybody that knows something about something. Anybody that has any kind of skill, experience, knowledge, you want to put that into a program where people can learn from you and you can generate really high payouts like this. So be sure to be there live, because we're going to be giving away vacations, all kinds of good stuff. We're going to have fun. If you were there on our 4-hour live stream that we did a few days ago, that was a blast. We had a lot of fun. This is not going to be 4 hours. This is going to be very short, maybe an hour or so. So definitely be there. It's going to be exciting and you won't want to miss it.
So sign up on the link below and we will see you Wednesday night, July 19th at 8 p.m. Eastern. Again, if you're in Europe, you can't make it for whatever reason, still click below, sign up, and then you'll be able to see the replay.
See you guys there.